Good afternoon, chestnuts, and welcome to your learning journey lesson where we are going to be learning all about the different food groups. So there are 5 different food groups. I'm going to give you a minute to name all 5. So you can pause this video and see if you can name all 5. Okay, let's watch this video and see if you are right.
Food groups. We humans need different food groups to help us grow and stay healthy. There are 5 main food groups. Each one does a different job in the body. Foods containing carbohydrate give us energy. Foods containing protein help our muscles and organs stay healthy and help the body repair itself. Foods containing dairy products give us calcium and vitamin D for strong bones and teeth. Foods containing fat give us energy, help our brains, and keep us warm. And foods containing fruits and vegetables provide our bodies with essential vitamins and minerals. They support every part of our body. You need different amounts of each food group in your diet. Which foods will you eat today?
Did you get them right? So we have got 5. Our 5 food groups are fruits and vegetables, proteins, dairy, oils and spreads, which are otherwise known as fats, and carbohydrates. So let's go into each one individually. So first, we've got carbohydrates. We need carbohydrates to make energy for our bodies, so then our bodies can move and do all the amazing things that our body does for us without us even thinking. So can you pause the video and think about how many examples of carbohydrates you can think of in 30 seconds? Off you go. Well done. I wonder if you came up with the same ones that I did. So I've got potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, cereal and porridge. Did you think of any of them? Okay, moving on to fruit and vegetables. So we need fruit and vegetables as they give our bodies different vitamins and minerals that it needs. So just like before, we need to think about how many examples we can think of for fruit and vegetables. Up you go. Well done. I wonder if you came up with some of the ones that I did. We did this in class yesterday back in school, and we came up with 18 different examples of fruit and vegetables. So here's just a small list of some fruit and vegetables. I wonder how many you got. Okay, moving on to proteins. We need proteins to help our bodies make cells and help us grow. So just like before, pause the video and see if you can think of how many different proteins there are. Okay, I've got some examples here. So I had chicken, beef, nuts, eggs, fish, beans, chickpeas, and there's a lot of other things like lentils, anything like that. So it says here we need to eat more beans and pulses, 2 portions of sustainably sourced fish a week, and 1 which is oily. And we also need to eat less red meat, so that's like beef, and less processed meat, which might be ham or chicken that you get in a packet that might go in your sandwiches. Okay, so we only need a small amount of dairy to keep our bones and teeth strong. Dairy also provides us with a little bit of energy. So, how many things can you think of that is dairy? Pause the video and have a think. Here are some that I came up with. So I've got milk, yogurt, cheese spread. So there's some examples of dairy. And lastly, we have fats. So we only need a small amount of fats in our diet, as it gives our body something called fatty acids. And our body cannot make this by itself, so we need to eat it in order for our body to have it. So there are only 2 fats that I can really think of, and I wonder if you can think of the same ones that I've got. So pause the video and have a think. Okay, so the main 2 are butter and oil. They are our fats that we normally eat. So you have butter on your toast, so that is a bit of fat on your carbohydrates, and we have oil that we cook with. Okay, right. Your task for today is to, of course, ask your parents first, but can you find 2 items from each food group in your house and create your own healthy plates, and then take a photo and upload it to Class Dojo? So this is a healthy plate in the corner. So we've got a big portion of fruit and vegetables, another big portion of our carbohydrates, a little bit of dairy, a tiny bit of fats, and just a little bit of our proteins. Okay. Have fun. Bye, chestnuts.